We are in my August 2022 business income report. We're going to go over all of my income and expenses. I do have a full blog post for you guys, and definitely check it out. It'll be linked down below in the description, but it goes into even more detail of all the income streams, more of a breakdown, and more detail. So definitely check out the blog post down below in the description box. So we're going to go over the income streams and then the expenses, and then at the end, stay to the end, we're going to look at the year in review and where we're compared to the other months and how we're holding up there. So jumping right in, affiliate marketing, $1,128.81. Digital products, $175.75. YouTube ad revenue, $1,394.83. I think this is actually the first month in a while. We're going to look at the end when we look at the year in review. But I think this is the first month that I've made more in YouTube ad revenue than I have in affiliate marketing. Typically, affiliate marketing is my highest income stream. So that's interesting. Main channel monetized through the AdSense program. I am working on getting my second channel monetized, Tutorials for Entrepreneurs with Kelly Ann Smith. And here is the analytics. So the YouTube Partner Program, they work on the last 365 days. So not the total length of your channel of how long it's been up, but only the last 365 days. So we're looking at watch time. Watch time, we need a total of 4,000 hours. And as you can see here, I have a total of 984 hours. So we are almost a quarter of the way there, but we still have a long ways to go. And then we need a total of 1,000 hours, and we have a total of 694 hours. So we're closer to subscribers. We only need 1,000 subscribers, but we have 964. So we got a ways to go for watch time still. So watch the content, watch the videos, help me get some watch time. Even if you are playing these in the background, that is totally fine. Put on a playlist and give me some watch time. I would really, really appreciate it. And I have a lot of great stuff on this channel, which I'm really proud of. So we're trying to get this monetized, and it's a work in progress. New income stream, you guys saw it last month and this month as well, is blog ad revenue. Before, I was getting paid through AdSense, which is the same as YouTube, for my blog, the ads that you see, and I switched over to Ezoic back in April, but it takes a couple months for you to get the payout. So I am now getting it every single month, and this month I made $73.69. Ezoic pays a lot more than AdSense, so I love that, obviously, because I want to get paid more. So definitely check out Ezoic. I will have them linked down below. And so far this month, this is a sneak peek for September, is going to be a very good month. We're already at $108 for the past 30 days. So it's going to be a great month. I did have a high day with 877 page views, which is amazing. So that's awesome and really exciting. So definitely check out Ezoic if you have a blog, and I would recommend switching over to them. I'll have a link for you down below in the description if you do want to switch over to Ezoic. It is an affiliate link, but I love them. Instagram Reels, $101.91. Stay tuned. I have a video coming out, and it'll be next month that you guys see it, but every single day this month, as the new income bonus renews, which I believe is on September 12th or 13th, I'm going to film and show you guys how much I make per video and show you how you make more at the beginning of the month and the end of the month, and a full breakdown behind the scenes on how I make money on Instagram Reels. It's going to be really fun. I'm excited for it. So stay tuned for that. But this month I made $101.91. Horses, $6.55. Patreon, $27.32. I just uploaded this month's end of the budget report card video, so definitely check that out if you're a Patreon. Speaking, no speaking this month. Coaching was $43.74. Sponsorship was $700 for a total income of $3,706.60. As you can see here on the left, budget, my estimated or my goal income right now is $10,000 a month. So we are only about a third of the way there, but we're shooting for the stars for a 10K month. Expenses of personal self-development, education was $0 this month. Labor was $0 this month. Supplies was $703.89. We had to get a new internet booster. Our house or backyard or something got hit by lightning, and it fried our internet router. our internet booster, and our washing machine. So we had to get some internet fixed. That was the big income this month. So $703.89. Travel, no travel. I should be going to FinCon, or typically I'd be going to FinCon actually today as I'm filming this. But because of my new baby daughter Peyton, I will not be going to FinCon, which sucks, but that's a great conference that I love going to every year. But next year we'll go. Advertising marketing at $0. Dues and subscriptions is $414.58. This is everything from eRank. You guys saw some new eRank videos. I'm going to be doing some more of that. Google services, Adobe, my internet bill, Apple, my cell phone bill, all of that ties into that. Food, $0 for food. So total of all expenses was $1,118.47. Total revenue, $3,706.60. Profit, 5% profit. This goes into a savings account that I get a quarterly bonus, was $185.33. Owner's pay, 65%, was $2,409.29. This is what gets transferred to my personal bank account to help support my family and put food on our table and pay our mortgage and my daughter's formula, all of that. So that is what I make for my personal business or my personal income. Operating expenses, 30%. That's my goal, is to spend 30% on operating expenses to run my business. And this month I was a little bit over budget, as you can see. I was $6 over budget, $6.49, but that's totally fine because we have a buffer in this and we have an account. So with the $6.49, we still have $2,542.14 there in a savings. So if I have a month where I need to hire someone out, or I have a conference or different things like that, I have this money that I can pull from. So that is great there. And then here is the profit account for the savings account that we have there for profit, which will give me my bonus. All right, so total working hours. This month I worked 46.25 hours, and that gives me an hourly of $80.14. So my goal is around $100. So we were under this month, but that is okay. So I track all of my time in Toggle. As you can see here in Toggle, here's the 4613, and you can see how much I'm spending each day. So each day is typically around an average of 2 hours. Some days I do go up to 4 hours, but you can see there. And then here's a breakdown of where I'm spending my time. And I track every minute. Jamie always makes fun of me if we're in the middle of a conversation and I'm working, I pause my timer just because I want an accurate representation of what I'm working. So 46 hours this month. All right, let's look at income. So this is going to be a year in advance or year in review. And let's get rid of, let me hide these. This is, okay. So here we can see here's total for the month, but I hid the future months because those are at 0. So we can see here what I'm making in affiliate marketing each month, digital products, AdSense, all of that, all the different income streams here. And then here is hours worked with the hourly rate. So there has been a few months that I've far exceeded the hourly rate. And then this month was right on par. This month was a little bit lower. And let's look at compared. Oh, last month I did do more in AdSense as well. This month as well. But typically I'm making more, like you can see in June, I'm making more in affiliate marketing than I am in Google AdSense. But total for the year so far is $28,847.07. My highest income stream is AdSense. I'm surprised by that. I thought it would be affiliate marketing, but affiliate marketing is not far behind at $8,688.87. Then we have sponsorships and then courses, and then you can see the other income streams as well. But I like seeing this at a glance in review so that I can see where I'm bringing in the more money so that I know where to focus more time. So I'm focusing a lot of time, as you can see, on sponsorships, AdSense, which is my YouTube channel, my affiliate marketing. I'm trying to build up my blog revenue, but I'm trying not to spend too much time there. So that is my income for August 2022. definitely check out the blog down below and then these videos here.